headset's gonna reach. Well, it kind of reaches. We'll pan over to Jupiter here in a couple minutes. Whoa, what was that, a bird or what? Man. What was that, a bird or what? Man. Okay, it's done recording. All right. Sending data. I don't know if this computer is going to be able to handle it. Looks like we're live on Facebook. Okay, we're starting to go live on DLive. Oh, I don't have Rumble going. I'll probably shut that one off and back on. I may have to make a new thing for Rumble. Yeah, okay, now it's kind of got connection. This could be pretty sketchy. Try to run this laptop. For some reason, my big computer just re-uploaded Windows by itself, so I've lost all my programs on the bigger computer. It was messing up anyway. Here, let me move this moon. I just got it going. Looks like we'll be able to see Jupiter here pretty soon. I'm still not quite in focus or nothing. I'm just trying to find a good spot to look at. Full moons, filming them aren't near as good as filming like half moons. It's just so bright, man. You don't get to see none of the cool mountains as good. I'm trying to go down, hopefully to the darker parts of the moon. Might be going the wrong way. The thing about a telescope, it's in there. Yeah, I'm going the wrong way. If you don't have a corrector, like 90-degree hill in there, then everything's upside down and backwards, so it's hard to know what controls to hit. I don't even know if this thing's streaming. I'll check the stream here in a minute. I'm just trying to find something to put it on, because I still gotta get focus. I'm close, but I'm not in focus yet. Not sure if you can hear me. I got this headset on. Well, here's at least a couple crater looking things up here. Should be one I can see better. Craters are a little easier to try to help get focused on, but with a full moon, man, that's always got to go the. Okay, there's a little bit bigger. Okay, here's a crater, couple craters I can see. It's weird on my screen, on my capture screen, it don't look that clear, but on the stream it looks clear. Let me see if I got a chat here. Man, it's jumping around pretty bad. Okay, I'm 5 by 5. That's crazy. I can't believe this thing is running. Yeah, I can't really do no deep sky photography when the moon's out, because it's just like light pollution from a city, man. It blocks out everything. Let me just see if I can get a little better focus here. I mean, it may be in focus, it may just be the atmosphere. I mean, it might be in pretty good focus. I'm just trying to, let me try the exposures, settings. See, there is a little bit of wind out too, so that's going to affect us. I haven't tried any of these settings. And I forgot to bring up my spare hard drive to plug it in to save the videos, because if I run the videos on here, it's going to slow the computer down even more. I'm just trying to get it where we can see it good. And it's not tracking real perfect, that I can just adjust a little bit here and there. Now see, if they ever want to, if they think they're going to fly to the moon, man, there's going to be so many telescopes pointed up here, there's no way they're going to be able to fake it. Because too many people will be watching it and have their big ass telescopes watching this thing, that there's no way they'd be able to fake it without getting caught easy. Yeah, it looks like I might be just a little out of focus. Let me try to do this. It's probably going to bounce around. I don't think my headset's going to reach. Well, it kind of reaches. We'll pan over to Jupiter here in a couple minutes. Whoa, what was that, a bird or what? Man, I wish I would have been filming that. I don't know if you guys seen that go flying by. It might have been a bird. If it was huge. Man, I wasn't filming either, other than the live stream. I'm probably going to go out of focus for a minute and then try to focus it back in. I should have probably left it where I had it, because it was pretty close. Focusing, man, that's the hardest damn part. And especially if there's humidity out, man, it's like virtually impossible. Like, that looks pretty in focus. I don't want to mess it up too much. I mean, that's not bad. I'll be able to get it in better focus when I get over to Jupiter. But the bright moon, man, that's a little tougher. For some reason, I can't get my wide field camera to connect. I don't know why. Where we could see the whole moon. I'll try it again here in a second. Here, I'm trying to get this where I can just try to take a video of this, see what it comes out like. If I can get where I want it here. Okay, I'm going to try to film 1,000 frame video right here. While that's filming, man, I wish I would have caught whatever's flying right there. See if I can get my other camera to go.